So I'm going to show you how to install the missing Samsung Music app on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. So if for some reason you're missing the Samsung Music application, which let me say should come pre-installed on your Samsung device, and you've checked everywhere and you can't find it, then here's how to add it. So you simply go to the Google Play Store, and in the Google Play Store, you want to go to the search function and then search Samsung Music. And you should see the app there, and you can go ahead and install it directly from the Google Play Store. All right, so just tap install and it's going to get installed. Now, in case you don't find it in the Google Play Store, you can go to the Samsung Galaxy Store. Of course, make sure you're signed in with your Samsung account, and then go to the search function. So the search button is here. Search for Samsung Music, and then you should see it there. Okay, so it's either in the Play Store or in the Galaxy Store, and you can install it from anywhere. It's literally the exact same app, so it doesn't matter whether you install it from the Google Play Store or from Samsung Music. Once it's installed, it should be available on your phone. You can even drag it into the Samsung folder. Simple as that. So anytime you want to use it, it's going to be right there. Thanks for watching and good luck.